Innovation for waste minimization.
This is BECCA's recommended spray gun cleaning procedure for the S50M manual solvent spray gun cleaner. Clean the spray gun as soon as possible after using it. Dispose of the paint left in the spray gun into an approved waste container. Using the solvent selection switch, turn it to use solvent. Using the function selection switch, turn it to flow brush. Always use the foot pedal to initiate flow. Rinse the spray gun with the solvent gun cleaning solution and pour the pre-rinse into an approved waste container. Be sure to trigger the gun over the container. Remove the air cap and place it in the spray gun cleaner. Attach the quick disconnect to the spray gun to protect the air passageways. Clean the fluid tip and the fluid entry passageway aggressively with the flow brush. Clean the air cap with the flow brush, making sure to clean the small holes in each air horn. Power flush the fluid passageway completely with the power pistol while triggering the gun to create air and fluid flow. Using the solvent selection switch, turn it to clean solvent. Using the power pistol again, rinse the fluid passageway completely with the clean solvent for 3 to 5 seconds. With the air still connected, shake the spray gun to expel the solution. Wipe down the outside of the spray gun and disconnect the QD. Replace the air cap. Your spray gun is now clean and dry, ready for its next use. This process is shown on the laminated poster supplied by BECCA.
Innovation for waste minimization.